Piper M700 Fury is a striking achievement in personal aviation, delivering jet-like performance while retaining the practicality of a single-engine turboprop. Powered by a 700-shaft horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A52 engine, the M700 Fury cruises at speeds of up to 301 knots true airspeed and climbs comfortably to 30,000 feet. Its impressive range of approximately 1,852 nautical miles under economy cruise makes it ideal for long-distance travel with fewer fuel stops. Inside, the 6-seat pressurized cabin offers a refined and comfortable environment, designed for both business and personal flying. Advanced avionics are centered around the Garmin G3000 glass cockpit, providing intuitive controls, enhanced situational awareness, and reduced pilot workload. The Diamond Aircraft DA50RG represents a fresh take on the modern light aircraft, combining elegant design, advanced technology, and impressive efficiency. Powered by a 300-horsepower Continental CD300 turbo diesel engine, the DA50RG cruises comfortably between 172 and 181 knots while delivering excellent fuel economy. Its practical range of roughly 750 to 820 nautical miles makes it well suited for cross-country travel and business flying alike. Inside, the 5-seat cabin feels spacious and refined, offering generous headroom and legroom rarely found in this class. High-quality materials, thoughtful ergonomics, and excellent visibility enhance overall comfort for both pilots and passengers. The aircraft features a full-glass Garmin G1000NXi avionics suite, providing intuitive controls, precise navigation, and modern safety features that inspire confidence in every phase of flight. With retractable landing gear and advanced aerodynamics, the Cessna Skyhawk 172 remains one of the most iconic and trusted aircraft in light aviation, and for good reason. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and forgiving flight characteristics, it has become the world's most widely used training and recreational airplane. Powered by a dependable 180-horsepower Lycoming engine, the Skyhawk cruises at approximately 124 knots and offers a practical range of about 640 nautical miles, with a service ceiling near 14,000 feet. The high-wing design provides excellent visibility and stable handling, making it ideal for student pilots and relaxed cross-country flying. Inside, the cabin comfortably seats 3 to 4 occupants with modest baggage capacity, perfectly suited for short trips, sightseeing, or instructional use. The Tecnam P2012 Traveler is a versatile light twin aircraft designed to balance practicality, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Built for regional transport and utility missions, it fills the gap between small piston aircraft and larger turboprops. Powered by 2 Lycoming TEO 540C1A turbocharged piston engines, the P2012 cruises comfortably between 173 and 194 knots and offers a maximum range of around 950 nautical miles, which is impressive for its category. The aircraft can seat up to 9 passengers plus crew, making it ideal for short-haul regional flights, island hopping, air taxi operations, and remote area service. Its high-wing configuration and fixed landing gear provide excellent stability, easy ground handling, and strong performance on rough or unimproved runways. Inside, the cabin is spacious and functional rather than luxurious, focusing on durability, accessibility, and quick turnaround times. The Tecnam P2006T Ing series is a smart, efficient redefinition of the modern light twin aircraft. Designed with economy and practicality in mind, it delivers reliable twin-engine safety without the high operating costs typically associated with larger twins. Powered by 2 fuel-injected Rotax 912 ISC3 engines, the P2006T cruises at around 145 to 148 knots while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. It offers a maximum range of approximately 930 nautical miles and a useful load near 410 kilograms, providing flexibility for passengers, baggage, or training equipment. The 4-seat cabin is compact yet thoughtfully designed, making it well suited for private owners, flight schools, and multi-engine training operations. Modern avionics enhance situational awareness and ease of operation, adding a refined, contemporary feel to the cockpit. With its lightweight composite structure and dependable systems, the aircraft is easy to maintain and economical to operate. The Icon A5 delivers a true sense of freedom, blending aviation and adventure into one sleek amphibious aircraft. Designed for fun, simplicity, and accessibility, it's ideal for pilots who value experience over complexity. Powered by a reliable 100 horsepower Rotax 912 engine, the A5 cruises between 84 and 95 knots and offers a practical range of around 427 nautical miles with reserves. Its lightweight design and forgiving flight characteristics make it welcoming for newer pilots while still enjoyable for seasoned flyers. Inside, the two-seat cockpit is compact yet comfortable, with a 46-inch width that feels cozy rather than cramped. The real magic lies in its amphibious capability. With retractable landing gear, the Icon A5 can operate from both runways and water, opening access to lakes, rivers, and coastal destinations that traditional aircraft can't reach. This versatility transforms short trips into memorable adventures. The Epic E1000GX is a striking example of how far modern light turboprops have evolved, combining serious power with refined comfort and everyday practicality. Powered by a 1,200 shaft horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6-67A engine, the E1000GX delivers impressive performance, cruising at speeds up to 333 knots and climbing at nearly 4,000 feet per minute. This makes it ideal for owners who value time efficiency on long cross-country trips. With a maximum range of roughly 1,560 nautical miles, it comfortably connects distant cities without frequent fuel stops. Inside, the pressurized carbon fiber cabin seats up to 6 passengers and offers a generous 184 cubic feet of space, creating an environment that feels closer to a light jet than a traditional turboprop. Advanced Garmin G1000NXi avionics paired with the GFC 700 autopilot provide precise control, situational awareness, and reduced pilot workload. The Daher Kodiak 100 is a rugged, purpose-built single-engine turboprop designed for pilots who value capability over luxury. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 engine, it cruises between 174 and 183 knots and offers a maximum range of roughly 1,130 nautical miles, making it suitable for both long cross-country flights and remote operations. What truly defines the Kodiak is its toughness. The fixed landing gear, reinforced airframe, and short takeoff and landing performance allow it to operate from rough strips, grass fields, and unprepared runways with confidence. Inside, the cabin is spacious and highly adaptable, with a width of about 4 feet 6 inches and a length of nearly 16 feet. The TBM 960 is a premier single-engine turboprop that seamlessly blends jet-level performance with real-world practicality. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney PT6E66XT engine and a 5-blade composite propeller, it cruises at up to 330 knots and reaches a service ceiling of 31,000 feet, making long-distance flights effortless. Its impressive range of 1,730 nautical miles at economy cruise allows pilots to cover extensive cross-country routes with ease. The cabin seats 6 in a compact yet refined layout, offering modern avionics, autopilot, and digital engine controls that enhance safety and comfort for both pilot and passengers. Advanced systems provide intuitive handling, while the streamlined design ensures efficiency and speed without complexity. With a list price between $4.78 million and $5.29 million, the TBM 960 occupies the high end of the turboprop market, appealing to pilots who demand premium performance in a versatile platform. Ideal for business travel, personal long-range flights, or high-speed regional trips, it delivers a private jet-like experience with the simplicity, efficiency, and reliability that only a modern turboprop can offer. The Cirrus SR Series G7 Plus represents a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most desirable personal aircraft in its class. Designed for pilots who want capability without complexity, the G7 Plus delivers confidence on both short hops and long cross-country flights. It is powered by a 315 horsepower turbocharged Continental TSI 0550K engine, allowing the aircraft to cruise at speeds of up to 213 knots and climb to an impressive 25,000 feet. With a maximum range of approximately 1,200 nautical miles, it easily connects distant cities with ease. Inside, the cabin offers a spacious 49-inch width, providing exceptional comfort for a single-engine aircraft. The refined interior, premium materials, and ergonomic seating make every flight feel more like a luxury experience than a commute. The advanced glass cockpit is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, delivering intuitive controls, enhanced situational awareness, and reduced pilot workload.